Some cricket now. Despite a career-best performance of 75 not out from captain Kieran Pollard, the West Indies went down 1-0 in the first of their three-match T20 international series against hosts New Zealand. The Caribbean side went down by 5 wickets via the Duckworth-Lewis method in Auckland today. Jermaine Brown reports.
The West Indies lost the toss and were sent to bat. But with 2 early rain interruptions, the match was reduced to 16 overs aside. The Windies eventually got off to a solid start at 58 without loss, all 3 overs. Andre Fletcher and Jamaica's Brandon King getting them off to a flyer. But then came the middle order collapse, with the Caribbean side losing 5 wickets for 1 run, slumping to 60 for 5. And while the Windies ran out of luck, New Zealand turned to pacer Lockie Ferguson. He quickly accounted for Fletcher, who fell for 34, Sherman Hetmeyer for a duck, and Nicholas Perran for 1. Captain Tim Southey took care of the Jamaican pair of King and Rovman Powell. But informed captain Kieran Pollard was up for a fight, and along with Jamaica's Fabian Allen went on the counter-attack. Allen made 30 of 26 deliveries before falling with the West Indies at 143 for 6. But Pollard, with a career-best 75 of 37 deliveries, including 4 fours and 8 sixes, continued to bludgeon the Black Caps. The Caribbean men posted a competitive 180 for 7. Ferguson took 5 for 21. Set a revised target of 176 to win, New Zealand were quickly pegged back at 34 for 2. Jamaica's O'Shane Thomas and Sheldon Cottrell accounting for the early wickets of openers Martin Guptill and Tim Seifert. However, Neesham with 48 not out ensured the home team achieved the victory at 179 for 5 with 4 balls to spare. Thomas took 2 for 23.
In terms of disciplines in the bowling aspect of things, I thought we were a bit erratic, we were a bit indisciplined, and in international cricket, if you bowl so many no balls and you're so inconsistent with your execution, you're definitely going to end up on the losing side.
Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.